How to fix Roblox lag on mobile. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up our Roblox. And one of the things that causes the Roblox lag is, opening too much window. So if you have a window that you opened right here, like this one that I have right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just close the windows that I have right here, and I'm gonna just continue playing Roblox. The second method, or the second way that causes the Roblox lag, that you probably didn't charge your phone. So as you can see right here at the top right, you're gonna see my charger is in at least 98%, right? So if you are under 32% or 20%, please charge your phone. And please make sure as well that your battery is not in lower power mode. Okay, so if you are toggled on the power lower mode or low power mode, please turn it off so you can actually get a better experience playing Roblox. Okay, the third way that I want to tap into is to restart my iPhone. So I'm gonna go back to my screen and I'm gonna hold my right thumb into volume up or volume down. It doesn't matter. You're gonna just hold your fingers right at the volume up or volume down, and you're gonna see the restart kind of a thing, or the slide off. And as you can see right here, you will watch that you're gonna see the screen just like this. You're gonna slide to power off, okay, and you're gonna get back to restart your iPhone, and probably all of your issues that you are facing right now, including the lagging and all that, will be gone, okay, because it's gonna be deleting all of your the files and apps that are not necessary. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.